So I'm Cornelia Bohne. I work at the University of Victoria, which is in Western Canada. I work in a field of chemistry called supramolecular chemistry, and it is a specialty in supramolecular dynamics, where we look at the kinetics of very complex systems. So the field I work in is quite interdisciplinary, and my co-workers work from synthesis of new compounds to measurements and numerical simulations of the kinds of kinetics that we do. Open access is the future in publishing. I think the other part that is very dear to my heart is the globalization aspects of ACS Omega. I really think that reaching out to the whole world, making it a really global environment for research is a very important mandate. That was something that excited me to play a role in that, in moving publications into open access and into globalization. ACS Omega will be published broadly any research that has a connection to chemistry. I think the biggest challenge of authors publishing their scientific work today is to figure out on how you will make your work read. How do we publish our papers so that they reach out to a wider community? I think the challenge that we have in publishing is the same challenge that we have in reading, is that there's too much information out there. And we need to filter and figure out on what we need to read to get our research done, and I think that's part of publishing. I think scientists know very well how to do research, and we knew very well on how to communicate in text, and I think the biggest challenge is to reach out and learn how to communicate how the modern world communicates. And if you think about energy or environment or health, so biology, materials, and atmosphere or water or earth, the three areas. These are very complex systems, and as chemists we are trained to think about the molecule. We think about this unit, the molecule, and we are starting and making progress of thinking about complex systems and systems chemistry. But it is to make that interface from the training in a single molecule, thinking about a single molecule, and integrating it in very complex systems, that the challenge for the future is, but also the opportunities, which is the great thing. Every challenge brings an opportunity. So if I had to summarize it in one word, I think complexity and systems chemistry is the future in chemistry.